Hi, RCDOX, and this is what a neuron should look like. It's Tango. I think it's about number 6, probably. And on this plane is what a neuron should look like, but this one is what happened once you really crash it. This is what it looks like when you have a really bad crash. The wings. I bet it's hard to imagine if we were demonstrating it for a class of science teachers. That's kind of hard to say. And this is the first time that we had an E-fly fail on us. And here it says, bad radio, good RX. Right there. We were coming in, starting to dive down for almost a landing, and then we just lost control and go straight into the ground, burst like fireworks. The teachers were really surprised at that because they got a good demonstration of good flight and the failure. So we're trying to decide if we could fix this airplane or not. Neurons are easy to make. This one's kind of sentimental for us because it's I AM Speed, and this plane is really special for us. So we hope that we can fix it and make the choice to fix it again. This is a bad crash, but we're going to fix it again, probably, and get it back in the sky. It'll have another life. Go for it up and listen up!